Hello, on today's video I am going to show how to install Kali Linux 2021.1. Select your language. Select your location. Select your keyboard layout. Set your computer host name and your domain. Create a user and set the password. Select automatic partitioning or manual partitioning. Select the hard drive where you want to install Kali Linux. Select a partition scheme. Confirm that you want to write the changes to the disk. Optionally, you can select an alternative desktop environment and additional tools. Configure the bootloader. Thank you for watching the video, and please help the channel by sharing, leaving a like and subscribing.